Hello guys, everyone. This is me, Amaseemas, and today we discuss about the most popular topic is how to earn money, how to take money from internet, how to earn maximum money from YouTube and the different sources you can earn money online. Today we discuss about the most popular topic is the publish an ebook. Uh, with Amazon KDP, it's never be easier to publish ebook. All you need to do write the ebook format is create a book over publish and promote it. Back in 2013 I created 12 books on the Amazon, took all but one down, and even thought it didn't make me rich, I still make some money from it. You can choose to hire a writer for ebook, graphic designer to design the cover, freelancer to format ebook for you. To help maximize the work you can need to put on it, it's best if you focus on keyword based on popular searches on Amazon. I often use the keyword tools which allow you find the words people use while searching, so you can craft your title around it. To make money online selling ebooks, you can market it in a number of ways. You can give away your ebook for free for a few days. This helps you rank high in the search result from sometimes, and get maximum profit from there. Uh, the second one option, get some review which helps to rank better for paid listening. Plus, I like to create custom graphics on the Pinterest that match the Pinterest styles rather than just placing the ebook cover as a pin. This has helped me get some clicks to my ebook from Pinterest. The second option is start a blog. Blogging in the one of the oldest method for making money. People who love writing tend to start blog with the niche focus. For example, a blog about pronunciation, car, dropshipping tools, often narrow enough focus so you can build a loyal following, but big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. You can start blog on the various platforms. From Shopee, remove the checkout feature so you don't have to pay subscription as a build to WordPress. When you start your blog, focus on the very specific keywords with the tight focus and the continue to expand into but their relevant categories as you grow. Dominate new space. This will allow you build a massive blog over time. Remember that design is also most important for making a good first impression on the visitors. Share 20 blog design inspiration to help with the launch your blog. There are the several ways to make money blogging. You can add affiliate links into your post. Don't forget disclaimers. You can monetize with the AdSense by the placing ad strategy on your website. Sponsor posts can also help you make money from specific brand. It is the popular among review bloggers. Bloggers can also sell digital and physical products in their websites. You can upload product to your website. You can also use into the build authority so that you can eventually to speak gigs, television deals, and big contracts from the clients. This is a great idea. You can earn money from internet, uh, ebook, Amazon, different ways. uh, Kindly join us to our YouTube channel and generate maximum profit. Thank you very much.